Hello everyone, MPX Autos James today. How are you? In this video we would like to share how to remove the factory head unit from a Toyota Prado 150 series half generation between 2013 end of 2013 and 2017. So this is to distinguish between this and the early generation of 2009 and 2013, but the process is pretty much similar. Now the tool we need to remove this one is pretty simple. You need some plastic trim remover too. One should be fine, two is no harm. Okay, I have two, no worry. And then the 10 millimeter socket like this. And to assist that, you probably have one clean, a cloth like this, so you can hand the towel down there to assure that everything is good and smooth. So to start with, we actually want to remove the mid air conditioner control bar, and then we unscrew some 10 millimeter bolts, and after that we pop out the head unit. Okay, so we can start now. This one very easy. Already pop out a little bit, but actually you slide the plastic remover tool underneath here, right at the bottom, underneath, and then you push it out and it comes out very easy because there's only plastic clip behind, and this one comes out, and you can see it has 4 plastic clip, yellow 1 2 3 4, and then you actually disconnect the connector for the air conditioner control panel here. All right, then leave it on the side, and now it expose 1 2 3 and 4 of the 10 millimeter bolt there, which is in need of these two to remove it. So start doing one, make sure you don't want to lose this thing down somewhere, so when you remove it, put your finger close to the end, and then it will assist to get the screw out easily. Because if the 10 mil one drop down there, it will be extremely hard to find. Okay, the second one, now the third one, okay, the third one, and now the fourth one, the last one here. All right. Okay, now all of them out. So what you do is put your hands either on the left or on the right. Okay, and then one on the top, one at the bottom, and then pull it out like this. Okay, one on the right, and on the top you put your hands at the edge. Yeah, at the edge of the top here. So basically what you do is you put your hand at the edge between the head and the top dash, the same like that, and the bottom you put your hand down, under here, hook in and pull it out. Okay, so keep going. Now the left side, 1 2 3. Okay, done. So that's actually gently slide it down. And now look at this, it has some different cable behind, okay, that you need to unplug. From here we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. Okay, so 8 of them in total at the back. Just disconnect them and then do what you need to do, either replace the factory one or doing like what we are doing, 10-inch new touchscreen premium setup, upgrade, and it will be all set after. Alright, so thanks again for watching, and hopefully it will have someone to do the job like this. And if you like it, please click the subscribe button so we can see more and more video coming in. And have a great day.